Hi everyone, Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. So it looks like this year we've caused a little bit of a stir with our 1 ounce platinum and silver rabbit listings on the website. So we had to make the listings up because we're taking expressions of interest for both of those. One's the 1 ounce platinum rabbit is a ballot system, and the 1 ounce silver is an expression of interest and non-binding. Now, we can't get those listings up on the web, unfortunately, with our website unless we have a price attached to them. So we listed them at a ridiculous price with words on there of, don't buy it, that sort of thing. But it seems to have caused a bit of confusion. We are not selling them at that price. What we're doing is looking for expressions of interest. So if you go into the listing, you'll actually see there's a link in there, and that link takes you to a form that you fill in for the platinum 1 ounce. It's a form and you're going into a ballot. For the 1 ounce silver, it's a form that you fill in and then request the number of rabbits that you would like in the 1 ounce. And it's a non-binding expression of interest, and we'll look at the numbers at the end of the day and we'll allocate them out. What we're trying to do is get as many people as we can. So hopefully everyone will get one, and then if people have requested 2 or 3 or 10, then we'll work through and try and allocate more to those people. Now, no, don't put in ridiculous numbers. Only put in what you're actually after, because if you put in a silly number, then it actually means that we'll cut everyone back and you'll actually find you'll end up with less rather than what you actually wanted. But no, those numbers that we've listed them at, those prices, are obviously not real, but it's just there because we had to put a price on just so the listing would go up, and we didn't want erroneous purchases going through accidentally. And sorry, I should have added in all of that. The pricing on it, the real pricing that we'll come to, will be the same as the Perth Mint. So if you go to the Perth Mint website, we'll be around about the same, within a few dollars on a platinum, within a few cents on a silver. Before I came on camera, I think the silver at Perth Mint, the 1 ounce they were charging about $39.50 for, and the platinum was about that $1,620, I think it was. So it'll be somewhere around those kind of numbers. So that's the explanation on that. It's probably 50 different ways we could have done it better. Unfortunately, that's the way that the back end of our system would allow it. So apologies for any confusion that it's caused. That's it for now. We'll talk again soon. See ya.